You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we're going to talk about main battle tanks Arjun. The Defense Ministry on the 23rd of September 2021 sealed a contract to procure 118 main battle tanks Arjun for the Indian Army at a cost of Rs 7,523 crore in a major move to boost its combat capabilities. The Defense Ministry placed the order for the Arjuna Mk-1A tanks with the heavy vehicles factory. Now, facts to be remembered here are: the MBT MK-1A is a new variant of Arjun Tank designed to enhance firepower, mobility, and survivability, infused with 72 new features and more indigenous content from the MK-1 variant. The ministry said the tanks would ensure effortless mobility in all terrains, besides precise target engagement during day and night. The MK-1A is equipped with accurate and superior firepower, all-terrain mobility, and an invincible multi-layered protection provided by an array of advanced technology systems. It can take on the enemy during day and night conditions and in both static and dynamic modes. Going into some background details here. The MBT Arjun Mk-1A has been designed and developed by Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment along with other laboratories of DRDO within 2 years. The development activities commenced from June 2010 and the tank was fielded for user trials in June 2012. That's all we could pack in this edition of KSG News Explainer. Stay tuned for more such videos. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IAS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this video on ksgindia.com.